Good morning, everyone. Today I'm back with Ginger over at Ginger's Corner, and our theme for our Scraps to Embellishments today is Birthday Bash, and we're supposed to create a grown-up birthday embellishment pack, and this is where we're just swapping with one partner. We're going to make one layered title, one journaling block, and 2 matching embellishments. And I'm going to show you what I've made, but I'm going to tweak it because I decided I wanted it a little bit different. And let me show you. I'm doing a more masculine one because I thought we'd do so many, flowery things. So here's my journaling block. I thought it would be really great on blue. So I'm doing like these gold tones and ivory. And then I thought maybe the title up here and stuff, I'm going to do a little bit bigger background. So like maybe this would be here, this here, and this over here. And then maybe the picture could be over here. Oh, look at, I could put my daughter here that I haven't cut this down because I used a different one. But see, it could be like that. Got the triangle going on. So that's my plan. But I'm going to do it just a little bit different. Okay, I'm going to put this here so I don't get glue and ink on everything. Okay, so I'm going to do a bigger journaling, or the title. And I'm going to ink everything in walnut stain. I think I'm going to use this. Now I did pull out, let's see, I think I did use ivory embellish, or no, I think I actually pulled out both these new, so because I just decided I wanted this gold tone and I just didn't have it in my scraps, and I didn't have another color in there that I don't know, I just had this on my brain to do the gold tones and the ivory, because I thought it would look really nice and masculine. So everything will get this. And I'm using, let's see, one die for, I'm using all different kinds of dies. So I've got this die here that is nesting dies. I'm using nesting star dies and nesting balloon dies. And then I have the champagne bottle. So I'm doing the ivory in the same color. And then I did the champagne label in a parchment. And then the little part that goes over the champagne, that's also in a parchment. But I love these colors. And on this champagne bottle, I'm not going to put a cork on it because it's still going to be covered. Because when I went to do the other one, I kept thinking, it seems like it should be flying through the air. And then it's like, no, Can't figure out how to do that. Well, I've got a problem with the little end got cut off here. I didn't see that. So I'll have to fix that. Go get a new one. And this is going to be my journaling block. It's also in the ivory. Okay. So I have everything. Yep, I'm going to need that balloon part on there. Oh, wait a minute. I have another one right here. Oh, this is another one that I did something too, but that part will be hidden. So that's okay. Okay. So I think that should get me where I'm going. Okay. So on my journaling block, I need my star. And I'm going to just kind of put it tilted. Why do I think my glue is always going to be the hardest part? Okay, let's see here. I think I'm just going to put the glue right here. Because I want it just slightly at an angle. And then I've got a little star. Where's that? And this has texture, so I'm also keeping that in mind when I make my decision of where I want it. Okay, and then I got my champagne bottle. And I've got my parchment. Oh, I did vellum for the champagne bottle. And then this is parchment here. Okay, and then I have my little gold seal, because you know it's really good champagne. Okay, so I'm putting that there. And then I have this little thing too, which is really cute. I'm going to put that there. And I might need my pickup tool. Where is it? Oh, here. It was just blending in. Okay. So I'm going to glue that right over the star, but I'm just going to glue it where the parchment is so that you don't see glue through. Because I want it overlapping the star. Okay, so that's one piece. And then I have and it took me a while to decide how I wanted these, so I'm going to make sure I do it the same. Okay, so I have one that's going to go here, so we'll cover up that little flaw there. Did I color that? Yep. And then I need a little balloon right here. Okay, and then my second one, I'm going to have a balloon under the big one. I wanted to make sure I kept an odd amount of balloons. It's more pleasing to the eye. And this one I'm going to put up here. Oh, and I want a little bit of turn. Because I kind of want them to look like they're moving, so it's like I try not to point them quite. Well, I want them to look like they're pulled, but so I don't want them like all pointed straight down. Okay, and then I'm gonna highlight these two. Okay, and then I have the title, which I'm gonna put on here, and I'm gonna pause while I do that because I'm gonna mark the center, because see this one, I just marked the center this way, and I need it this way too. So I'll do that, and I'll be right back. I'm gonna pull in just a little bit. Okay, I've got the title on, and I like that much better. I didn't like how this was so squished in there. Okay, so there's my title. I've already put the strings on the balloons because I didn't know how that was going to work. And I'm using this wax string, wax linen I think is what it's called. And this one is the color that I'm using. I have two other colors. I think I have two that are like this. But I like this color with it. And then I'm gonna tie them together like I did that one. And I didn't know how it was gonna go, so I thought I'm just gonna do it with nobody watching. So I'm gonna just tie that there. And then make a little bow. Now I thought I might have to have the hubby help me with this because I didn't know if I could pull that through. But I was able to do that with the tweezers. But I might be able to get it this time without the tweezers. Maybe. Seems like my string is lost. Where is it? Oh, here it is. Okay. Whoa, I almost lost it. There we go. But you gotta pull it back. You know, adjusting the bow. Okay, now where's that end? Because now I don't see either end. Okay. Oh, and here's the other part. Because the end, or the strings are just held on to the, whoops, how come my strings look like they're both on the same side? Okay, there we go. Okay. Oh, and I did lose one. Okay. Oh, I lost two. Okay, I'm gonna glue these on here. See if I can pull them up just a little bit more. Okay, yep, that worked. The beauty of wax string. Okay. I think that one needs to go there because it's the longest. And this one down here. The other one is much easier because nobody was looking, you know, that's the trick. Okay. And then I've already highlighted these. Actually, because I just grabbed the wrong the wrong balloons. Okay. So I grabbed those balloons. So now where's my highlighter? Okay, so I am just putting a little highlight on all the balloons, because you know how they always look like they have that little part where the light's hitting them. And I'm kind of making like a teardrop or a raindrop shape where it's a little wider at the bottom. And I'm doing it on the white, even though it's, or the ivory, even though it's a little harder to see. And then I'm also putting it on the bottle. And I'm hitting that star up there and on this side. I just kind of figured the light's coming from here because that's where I started, or you know, that's where I've decided that the light is. And so then I highlight everything on that side. And I'm gonna go ahead and do this too. I mean, it's not real noticeable, but you can see that it's there. And sometimes I go over it, you know, an extra time later, because it seems like sometimes the white, you don't see it right away. Now, since this is bigger, I'm gonna go a little bigger on it. So that's it. My partner will get these. And I think I'm gonna pull in that string just a little bit more so the bow is a little more to the same size. And I'll have to put some string on mine too. But I like that. I like how they look together like that. So when I arrange them, I'll probably do something like the 3 up here, the 4 over here. Oh, except for I'll have a pretty color paper like this on it. I want to do this because this is how I pictured it. Because I thought that looks kind of manly. And then I'll put my little girl on here. So it'll be like that. So remember, everybody will be linked down below who's playing along with making these. And if you want to join us in swapping embellishments or you know, doing the embellishments. Some people make embellishments and don't actually swap. So, and you know, you can always join Ginger's group just for inspiration. So thank you for joining me. Have a wonderful and blessed day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.